Here we are at the famous Manchester Museum. Today we will be showing you how science, especially pattern seeking, can help us understand how people from our own and other civilizations lived many years ago.
You may have heard of the saying, never judge a book by its cover. Well, we are not looking at book covers here, but various sarcophagus to see whether the patterns and shape of the coffins match what's on the inside. Manchester Museum is an excellent secondary resource for helping us learn about science, and some of these animals here are not around anymore. Science can also confirm their prediction by using X-rays.
You may think all the mysteries about Egyptians happened years ago. Here is the statue which moved with no one touching it. How could that be? It was difficult to see the statue actually move, but when filmed you could see it very clearly. We wanted to find out why.
By looking at the film in more detail, we started to look for patterns.
The statue seemed to move more in the daytime than the nighttime. By looking at the patterns, we were then able to ask the curator about what we witnessed. This got us thinking. We knew the stories about curators were probably not true, but by piecing together the patterns that we observed, we were able to make the link to another area of science, and that of friction.
We could also see from that the bottom of the statue was not flat, so not the whole surface area was touching the glass cabinet. So when lorries, cars and buses were travelling along the road outside, vibrations were felt inside.
And when people were walking past, they too were causing vibrations, which made the statue move.
Mystery solved thanks to science and pattern seeking.
Humans cause a lot of changes, some are accidental, but archaeologists have proved that humans change natural objects to help them live day by day. By looking at rocks, they are able to paint a picture of what life was like many thousands of years ago around the Stone Age.
Now you may not think that a rock can tell us a lot about the past, but you'd be wrong. Geology is another science and geologists study rock. For a quick glance, you might think that all these rocks are the same. Pattern seeking and classification help us to sort out objects so we can see any patterns forming.
Here we are in a part of the museum which many children don't get to see. To keep everything safe, items have to be stored, but before they can store them, they need to know which items go together. We are lucky that we're able to look at some artefacts before they go on display to the public when the museum opens its Chinese gallery. We could also date items chronologically to show how life changed over time during the different dynasties.
By looking at all the items, we were able to think which items should be shown together.
I hope you enjoyed our short film.
As we have shown, Manchester Museum is a fantastic resource for history, but also for science, especially pattern seeking.
Bye!